the sixth row, connection stitch into the arch, one loop for raising for the next row, and one single crochet into the same arch, second single crochet into the same arch, into the next arch, double crochet the first one, a loop, double crochet the second one, a loop, the third double crochet, a loop, the fourth double crochet, a loop, the fifth double crochet, a loop, the sixth double crochet, a loop, the seventh double crochet, into the next arch, first single crochet and second single crochet. After that, a chain of 7 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into the next arch, first single crochet, second single crochet. This is our ornament. Into the next arch, 7 double crochet, one loop between each of them. 1, a loop, 2, a loop, 3, a loop, 4, a loop, 5, a loop, 6, a loop, 7. One single crochet into the next arch and 2 single crochet into the next arch. See you in the end of the row. So in order to finish this row, we make the last 7 loops of the chain, 7, and we need to make a connection to the first single crochet, the first one in the row. So above the popcorn you will have a chain of 7 loops, and in between them we have 7 double crochet with 1 loop in between them. See you on the next row.